Hi again, guys. I am so sorry. I have no idea what happened on my live, and then I tried to go live again and it wouldn't let me. So I don't know. But anyways, if anybody is just catching this video, you're going to have to go back to the last video, which was a live video, to see the beginning of the unboxing and the conversations. So we're just going to continue. Before the video cut off, I was in the middle of yapping about this tag right here that she had made, and I'm sure that this is from Alicia's very own paper line that she has done. And look how chunky this is. I love chunky. And you know what? I need to know, Alicia, where do you get that thick? It's really thick foam. I really want that type of foam. I really like it. And look, she also gifted me some of these. These are so cute. But I love it. And let's look at more of the stuff. Look at that. Isn't this adorable? I love it. Okay. And other items that she has gifted me. Let's look at this other one. My voice just wants to go. Oh my gosh. Can't go much longer. Oh my goodness, this is her jumbo. Alicia, do you think this is big enough? I don't think it's big enough. It has to be bigger. We had to do a jumbo, embellish a jumbo paper clip. And I don't know, Alicia. I honestly think it's not big enough. Look at this. Oh my gosh. She is such a pro in embellishing things and making them nice and thick and chunky. I love that. And I see that how it comes out like this is she uses the really chunky foams. I use the thin foams, so I'm going to have to get my hands on some chunky foams too to make them look this gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous, you know. And so let's look over here to see what she also made for me. Oh my gosh. I can't get that open. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She gifted me some of her ephemera from her designs. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that here. Oh my gosh. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. Y'all gotta, oh, look at that. Love that. Love that. Oh, I like these too. Look at that. Oh, she die cut some things for me. Oh my gosh. I love this. I absolutely love that. Butterflies. Look at that. That's all gorgeous. Oh, Alicia Holloway. You know what, girl? I'm just throwing this out there. Maybe we should go to business together. I don't know, maybe, because you and I are kind of like on the same wavelength, wouldn't you say? Look at that. Wow. Look at this. See, she layers her stuff as well. Absolutely beautiful. Yep. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this big bow. I don't think it's big enough. I'm just, you know, I'm just kidding, right? Let's put this over here. Look at this. I have like this precious stuff. Look at all this precious yumminess. Oh my goodness. I love this. My desk is just full of precious yumminess stuff. So let's see what else we got over here. I think I'm gonna need to use the scissors or no. see. Okay, let's go ahead and, wow. Oh, look at the cute little bow she made. Oh my goodness. These are embellishments that she made. Look how chunky. Oh my gosh, I love this. Let's look at this one. Oh my goodness, I love this. I'm gonna, yeah, definitely that. Right after I get through with this, uploading this video, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can order me some of the chunky, you know, they're like, what, half an inch? I think they're half an inch. Yeah, because that's more than a quarter inch. Yeah, absolutely. Love, love, love that. And here, before I open this box, look what she also gifted me. Felting foam. Now, this may sound like a, excuse me, sorry about that. This may sound like a dumb question, but I'm going to ask it anyways. What's felting? But yeah, I love this. You know, I'm sure I can find some use for this, but first I'm going to have to look up. Alexa, what's felting?
Belting is a type of singing that involves using both the chest voice and a proportion of head voice to create a powerful and controlled sound. It is a technique that requires a lot of practice and discipline.
Okay, so you heard Alexa. When you sing, you're going to use the foam. Okay, now let's look at the beautiful box that she made. Look at that. And there is a card in here. Let's put this over, like, let me put this over here. Okay. What is felting? Gonna sing a song. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm so super excited. Can you tell? Look at that. It says fall. Look how chunky this is. In her card. Look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. Look, look, look. I mean, look how dimensional this is. I love this. I love dimensions. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, guys, sorry about the first video. You know, we did what it did. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Those who joined me on the first video, those who are joining me on this video, go ahead and watch the first video. And those of you who watched the first video, I hope that you'll get to see this video, the second part. Okay, capiche? Alrighty. So yeah, I need to rest my voice for the time being. And thank you so much for joining me. And thank you so much, Alicia. Wow, you're amazing. You're an amazing artist. You're an amazing crafter. And wow, you've got the eye for this, girl. Yeah, okay. Thank you so very much. And I will see you once again real soon. Happy Halloween, you guys. Okay, bye-bye.